guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like, comment button, and subscribe. So today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to make a shipping label. So first, you just want to go to Google and you want to type in paypal.com/shipnow. So you can do this on your phone or you can do this on your computer, but I recommend doing this on the computer. So you just want to log in to PayPal. So this will pop up on the screen. So you just want to choose what country you are shipping to. And so I'm just going to do the United States for example. And then you just want to type in the person's full name, address, city, state, zip code, and the email is optional. So I'm just going to type in a random name. Let's just do Keisha. Let's just do Keisha Cole. Let's say her address is 1485 Raleigh Road. For the city, I'm just going to put Atlanta. And for the state, I'm just going to put Georgia. And let's say this is her zip code. Again, the email is optional. And then you just want to type in you just want to hit ship to this address. Okay, and then this screen will pop up. So it's letting you know, or it's asking you which carrier you want to go with. So you can go with the post office, which is USPS, or you can go through UPS. So let's start off with USPS and let's show you how much it would cost. So priority shipping, let's see, flat rate envelope, tracking number included, or you can do a signature confirmation, which is an additional $2.60. And for the flat rate envelope, it can be up to 70 pounds. And the total for that will be, so I changed the address. So this is how much it would cost to ship a priority mail flat rate envelope. It will cost $6.95. This is how you can determine how much it costs to ship packages. So I'm going to change it to first class. This is what most people do because it's cheaper. And then you can just choose if it's a large package or a thick envelope. So if you're just shipping lip gloss, it shouldn't be more than 4 ounces, depending on if you ship more than like 5 glosses and how big your tubes are. So I'm going to calculate the shipping price for 4 ounces, and for first class mail, the total will be $2.66. It's normally $2.76. It's $2.66 because I did it to the same city that I live in. That's why it's like 10 cents cheaper. Okay, so now I'm going to show you media mail. I think media mail is the cheapest, actually. I'm not sure, but media mail takes 2 to 9 days to come. So that's why most people just do first class, because it only takes 2 to 5 days. So I'm going to calculate the shipping. So surprisingly, the media mail that takes 2 to 9 days charges you $2.75. I don't know why that's higher. It should be cheaper. But yeah, that's the price for that. Again, I don't recommend media mail because it takes over a week to come. I recommend first class. Now, parcel select ground, 2 to 9 days. I don't know the dimensions, so let's skip that one. Let's do Priority Mail Express. So I just did some random dimensions, by the way. So if you're shipping with the post office and you want to ship a Priority Mail Express, which will take 1 to 3 days, they will charge you $22.68, and that's only for 4 ounces. So that is extremely high. So I definitely don't recommend Priority Mail Express. I recommend the first class, because it shouldn't be no more than $2.76. However, if your client lives in California, it's like $3.09. I don't know why. And if you want to do Express, you should charge $7, because that's how much it costs. I'm sorry, not Express. Priority Mail costs $7, but if you do Express, it's going to cost you $22. And immediate mail was $2.75. So again, that's just for 4 ounces. Now let's say your stuff weighs a pound, because you're shipping wholesale. Wholesale is mainly going to be close to 2 pounds, depending on how many glosses you're shipping. Now, if it's over a pound, you can't do it first class. You have to do it priority. Why? I don't know. So I would just go with 1 pound. These dimensions are wrong. Again, these are just random dimensions, so don't pay this any attention. Okay, so post office, Priority Mail, 1 pound. Ignore the package dimensions. Let's see how much that would be. So that would be $6.95, which isn't too bad. That's not bad at all. Okay, so I think let's do 2 pounds. So I'm going to show you how much something that costs 2 pounds. Now 2 pounds will only cost you $7.42, which isn't bad either. That's actually a decent price. So yeah guys, that wraps up this video. I have showed you how to make a shipping label, and once you calculate the price, you just pay for it and then you just print it out, and then you're all set to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.